Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. This is a new game. I started playing this just today. I just found this. Shut up, Jessica.
Sorry.
So, what the heck are you doing? Why is that not leave? Okay,
No, I'm jumping.
okay. So, I decided, I know today's Wednesday, I have no school today, so, as you guys can see down here, 212. I use it, me and Jessica right here, who have a username, Addy88372. We both go to the same school, and because our road is icy, school got canceled for us both. So did church. So,
Is
that right?
Ah! I got ran over. Help!
You want me a mind stroller? Okay, be a mind stroller. Okay, haha.
Are you going to see my mom?
Yeah.
You can be a teen mother.
Okay, fine. I'm dropping you off at daycare first. If I could find.
Okay.
Go the flip away. Stupid
Yeah, I
stalker.
think this guy tried to kidnap me. And my feet are up in the air. I don't like this position I'm in. It looks wrong.
Oh,
I have a heart.
why do you have a heart? What?
I have a stroller.
Okay, there's the houses. Ooh. I have 200. How much is this? How much is that? Oh, 250. Darn it.
I love this heart.
Yeah, I have it too, but if I open it, if I get it out.
I wish Josh would be in our video. Well, be in your video. In this video.
Okay, how much does that say? Okay, I guess I buy that.
My heart matches the floor.
Yeah. Okay, where's the house then? I want to lock the doors. Darn it! Okay, I don't like having new sister.
I'm having a play day. Woo!
Okay, you have a sister now.
I do? Yay.
Oh, she left. She left.
No, I want a sister, Mommy.
The door's
I'll
locked.
be able to paint the walls of the...
Jessica, come up here.
It's a swimming pool. It's a swimming pool.
Okay, so I just found. Okay, you can have this one for all yourself. You just found it. Okay, so why? No, you get out. So I caught this bed because one is blue and two is my color, and three, this is Jessica's bed because he's a baby. So sometimes
Yeah.
Ooh, I found the kitchen. The kitchen. Ooh. I have sticky keys. Okay. Okay, that's weird. I found the bathroom.
It is?
Oh, I forgot that show called, but it's on TV in the living room. Where are you?
Upstairs.
What's upstairs?
By the pool.
There's an next to the pool. You love swimming.
No, I'm next to the pool.
Are you changing your outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might do the same. Okay, my bedroom's here. I cut the blue bed. Hey, Jessica, if you want, you can, haha, found it. I need to have hair. Can I get that hat, please? Okay, kidding me? That's a happy thank you. Faces. I want to have that one. Wait, so guys, I'm sorry for a long wait. I just been busy. Yeah. So, yeah. Are you kidding me?
What?
What the heck that gets to? No, I don't want that. Ooh. So, I decided I'm gonna be recording every Saturday. Okay, that's the only day I am not busy on except if I have music school with Jessica. How did I get this stupid shut off?
Mom, how do I look?
I don't know, I'm gonna dress myself.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Getting me on my way.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm not good at controlling this. There's somebody in our house. He's an adult and he's kidnapping me. Help! There's somebody kidnapping me.
How did he get in? I flipping locked the doors. Oh, what the? Okay, I'm at our house. Just got in the stroller.
What?
Okay, I already locked the door. I mean, Jessica locked the doors.
I don't know how to lock the door.
Okay, on the side, it will have a picture of a house. Click it, it will say lock doors.
I'm clicking it, but it's not doing anything.
Okay. Click it.
I'm clicking it. It's not doing anything.
Okay, Jessica, come. Okay, Jessica, can you show the house real quick? Show it.
What?
Show the house real quick. There's a picture of a house. Show a house.
It's not letting me do anything with the house.
Okay, Jessica, come next door. Okay, over here, that's mine. There we go.
The only thing that I can actually do is like change what I look like. That's all I can do.
How do I look? Okay. Oh, if you come in here, Jessica, come in here. The TV's on.
What?
Look's on the TV.
Oh. Is there any Pokemon
I don't know.
that we can watch?
I don't know how to change the channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yay, cartoons, mommy, cartoons. Woo! Let me watch. Yeah. Let me watch my plushie. Look, I can't see. The hearts are in the way of me watching TV.
So, yeah, like I was saying. No, I do not want Star Party. Yeah, that's. Nope. Money? Nope. House? No. Got. Ooh, I got a car now? Okay. taking the L. Oh! Hey, Justin, want to see something? Hold on.
What?
What are you doing? You're just full.
I was changing my look. What are you doing?
But you're not seeing it?
I
Just
can
be cool.
see it. Why are you dancing?
I'm floating in midair. Okay, there we go.
Aha!
I found the, yeah. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you
What are
see
you
this?
doing?
Do you see this?
Yes. What are you doing?
I think this is a Fortnite dance.
Maybe. Hold on.
If you say
I
voice
need
dance
to-
that say love on them, they're mine.
Can you close the door? I'm recording.
No.
Hey, look.
Look at what? What are you doing, Mom? I have no TikTok. Don't look. No.
Oh, what the heck? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. What the? What the? Okay. Oh, that's cooked. Hype man. What? Do you see this?
What are you doing?
Fortnite dance.
What in the world?
It's called the hype dance.
The hype dance?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sleeping. Oh, what the heck? No. That's not. Wait. Hello. Wait.
What the? What? How do you dance?
Oh yeah, this is the end of this video. Oh my goodness. End of the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I think the last dance I did was a Fortnite dance. If you guys know, put in the comments box below. And I will be recording one today for this Saturday because I won't be at anywhere near my computer this Saturday because I'm going to be in Chicago for a drill competition. So,
We love you all! I'm giving you guys a whole bunch of hearts with this one heart.
okay, fine. So,
Bye.
it's in your face. It's open your heart in Jessica's face. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on that little bell for notification. So you guys will be know like when I upload videos. And I'm still figuring out how to edit. If you guys know how to edit videos, put in the comments box below. And also comment the next Roblox video that I should make. And comment if you want this crazy person in the video with me. She's crazy.
Yeah. And Noah can go on the picnic.
Yeah. So, like, subscribe, what the heck? Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.